how to transfer funds from Bitget to Bitget wallet on PC. Now, first of all, open your Bitget wallet from your browser. Now, first of all, select your token that you want to receive on your Bitget wallet. So if you don't find your token from the start, you can select the network first. For example, if you want to select the Solana network, so first of all, select the network, and after that you can select your token from here. As you can see, now as you can see, we can select the Solana. Now after that, click on receive to get the withdrawal address of that token or of that funds that you want to receive. Now after that, click copy it. Now after that, go to your Bitget account. Now head over to wallet. As you can see, now click on withdraw. Wait a few seconds to load this page. Now after that, what you need to do, select the token that you have funds on, for example the Solana that you just copied the withdrawal address from your Bitget wallet. After you select it, now you can select the network as the Solana, and after that, type here the withdrawal address. You can paste it here, and after that click on next, and as you can see, you can now enter the amount that you want to transfer to your Bitget wallet. After that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your funds that you transfer from your Bitget to Bitget wallet. So this is how to transfer funds from Bitget to Bitget wallet on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.